Hello there, beautiful people. You want to know how to change the background color for a single section on your Shopify store, and it works on all themes. That's exactly what I'm about to show you. Without any more talking, let's just jump to it. So the first thing you're going to do is obviously access Shopify dashboard. If you are on Shopify dashboard, click on sales team, sales channel, and click on online store, and you will see this page right here, and simply duplicate the theme by clicking on the three dots beside edit theme and click on duplicate so you can duplicate the theme. So in case something happened, you can easily get back to the version that you already published. And if you like the changes, then simply click on publish button. That's very easy. Now in my case, I'm going to click on edit theme because I already trust my process. So make sure to click on edit theme on the duplicated theme you did. Let me click on edit theme and it will open up the theme editor. Now simply navigate to the page where you want to change the background color for that single section, which is maybe home page here, click on it, maybe product page, click on products, or collection page, click on collections, and so on for any of these pages. In my case, it's on the home page. I'm going to stay on the home page. Now simply scroll down to the section you want to add. By the way, this animated banner, I did add a video for that, for the code, I mean, in the video completely free. So scroll down a little bit and navigate to the section you want to add. For example, in my case, I want to change the color for this footer, the background color for this footer. So there is two methods to do so. This is basically depends on your team, because some teams have the option to change color by using color schemes, as you can see, but as well, this one are predefined, so you have to actually create a new color scheme only for that section, and it will also change the text color and so on. And to do so, simply click on this settings icon right here and simply navigate, scroll down a little bit, and you will see colors. Click on it and you can add new scheme color that can change the text color, the background color, and so on. However, this option is not available on all teams. So if your team doesn't have this option and you want to change the color, that's very easy. So as I said, simply click on the section you want to change. In my case, is this one. Then you will see this option right here where it says custom CSS, as you can see. Then the next thing you're going to do is scroll down the description box and you will see a link, my website. Click on it and it will open up this website, and with this code right here, very short, as you can see. Then simply click on this icon to copy the whole code, get back in here and paste it in this custom CSS option. And let me zoom out, and here it is, it changed color. And of course, this is like light green or whatever. To change the color, simply copy this one right here, open a new tab on Google search engine, search for it, and here it is, and play around with the color to get the exact color you want. Copy the hex code for it, get back in here and change it with the previous one, and here it is. That's very simple. Click on save, and now you can change the background color for any section, and that section alone, whatever team you're using. And that's how you change the color for a single section. If you have any questions or you need help with your Shopify store, make sure to reach out on the link below the description box. But for now, I think my job is done. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.